That ought to do it.
Great!
Yeah! Good work, movers. Now, what should our poster say?
I know. Dog found.
That's good. I could put that up here. We could put a picture here, but what else? Cute.
Small and very fast.
You guys are good. I like it.
Yeah,
Me
it's
too.
great.
It's nice.
Yeah. Nina!
Hey, guys.
What's wrong?
Yeah, you don't look too happy.
I'm not. My Uncle Knit-Knots brought a dog to work today, and I was supposed to watch him, but somehow he got away, and now I can't find him anywhere.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's weird. Why would Knit-Knots want a dog? He only likes boring things.
And dogs are definitely not boring.
That's for sure. Agreed.
Actually, it's not his dog. He's just taking care of it for a friend. He wants to try his new ideas for boring dog toys on him.
Oh. Wait! We found a dog today.
Right. Maybe it's the same dog.
Yeah, is Knit-Knot's dog about yo big?
Uh-huh.
Does he have big pointy ears?
Uh-huh.
And a wiggly waggly tail?
And does he look like this?
Yes, that's Humdrum!
Yeah!
You found him!
And we even gave him a bath.
So where is he?
He's...
Right.
Well, he was right here.
He couldn't have gone far.
Yeah, he's here somewhere.
Of course.
Humdrum!
Here, Humdrum. Come on out!
Oh, no.
Don't worry, Nina. We're the imagination movers.
Solving problems is what we do.
We'll find him. We just have to look a little harder.
Yeah, we'll comb every inch of this warehouse.
Yeah. Ooh. And what better way than with this?
A giant comb?
Yeah. Come on. Ready or not, here we come.
Wait for me. I'm combing.